to today's video. So today we are doing a day in the life. Yeah, first for my channel. So this is me, just got up as you've seen, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to feed the cat. So obviously, you know, we've got Tilly, who's our little British short hair. She's 10 weeks today, but first off we're going to feed Jinx. He's up and he's ready for his breakfast. Jinky, you want some dinner? Want some dinner? Dinner? You want some dinner? You do, don't you? Come on, dinner time. So Tilly has a special breakfast. She has this kitten food by Applause. I really kind of recommend it. It's really good. It's very natural as well. We're going to give her some of that in this bowl, and we're going to give her a bit of kibble as well, which I'll show you in a second. And give this to her. Tilly, baby girl, look, dinner's. Come on, sweetheart, dinner's. Dinner. Come on, Baba. It's dinner. This is her bedroom, guys. Yeah, it is the front bedroom ensuite because, yes, I'm literally sat on the floor of the bathroom. Yeah, she spent the first week and a half sort of sleeping with us, and she slept really well, but she literally used to sleep in my collarbone there because she was so little. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. How are you doing? Go and eat your dinner, Mummy's not going anywhere. She's got toys. Yeah, so she spent the first week and a half sleeping with us, and she used to just sleep in my collarbone there. But the more confident she got, she was up all night. I didn't get any sleep. Me and Sam were like, oh, we were literally like so tired. So we had a bit of a Google, and we found to put her in a safe space. So the safest space we've got, because she's into wires, she wants to chew anything that's like wires at the minute, so we can't leave her anywhere that's got wires, and every other room's got wires apart from the bathroom. So luckily we've got this front ensuite, which is part of the guest bedroom here. I'll show you. It's the one that I've been decorating, but I've not had a chance to finish it. It's like she's taking up all my time at the moment. And this bathroom wants to, and by the way, have a look. So yeah, it's a bit like my other bathroom. I kind of hate it. It's horrible. So it was the ideal place for her. Still got this horrible carpet down, which I bloody hate. It has got a nice big shower like, but which we sometimes just use the shower in here, but at the minute this is Tilly's bathroom. This is Tilly's room. So yeah, so she sleeps in here in the evenings now. I don't like to put her to bed before like 11:30 sort of time, because I'm only getting in here at like 8ish, and I don't want to leave any longer than that. It's not fair, but I just want her to be safe at night, and it makes me sleep better that she's safe. So yeah, we're gonna let her eat a dinner, have a little fuss with her, and then we'll take her downstairs. Now she's fine in the kitchen because we've removed all wires from there, and she's okay in the dining room. Again, we've got all our laptops and stuff and the computers and stuff in there for work, but it's all on the table, so everything else has been removed from the floor. So she has all that in there, so I'll let her have the full run of that room, of those two rooms. And she's got a cat tree there which she loves, and she's so confident on it as well now. Switch you off because I have to carry a food bowl and her and my camera and my phone, so I'll check you all in the kitchen. I'll see you all shortly. All these cushions are so she doesn't fall. Tilly, Tilly, going to just put it out there. Has anyone noticed that the more time they spend at home, the more of a mess it gets? To be honest, I'm getting a bit fed up with tidying up. It's just like every day trying to clean up, and it's just because you're at home all the time, you're constantly messing up. Yeah, this is the state of the kitchen again. Used plates, pots, rubbish everywhere. Look at the state of this. Anybody else's looks like this? This little seating area here. Again, I messed up a little bit because I was sat here last night. But yeah. Right, come on, show us your skills. Recycling these pods. I think these little plastic ones just be put in the normal recycling, I think, but I need to do a little bit more research. I know you can do that. Is it TerraCycle? Need to find out a little bit better on how to recycle these. So if anybody knows anything about recycling these Costa pods or these Tassimo pods, please let me know below. I am looking into it because I want to help the environment. Be sitting here with the little Tilly until Sam gets up, and then we're going to have some pancakes. So play with this little one for a little while. She's in a little mood, as you can see. Certainly come out of the shell. Yeah, just enjoy my coffee. Excuse me, what are you doing? Another nice day as well out there, so beautiful. Today, sorry for the noise in the background, but young Tilly here is playing with a ball. She's constantly chasing it. But she's playing with that, that's what the noise is. So we're going to be having pancakes this morning. I'm going to be using the Protein World Slender pancake. So yeah, I'm going to be having this, and I'm going to be mixing it with, you can mix it with milk and stuff, but I'm going to be using coconut milk. So let's get into this. I like to blend it in this because it kind of goes lumpy if you don't, so line that up like so.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways.
Right, I'm gonna eat this as for my breakfast. I've got a curious Tilly under my feet here. She obviously wants to have a little look. These are actually frozen, but they will very quickly defrost. I could have took them out slightly early, but I kind of like the hot and cold, to be honest. See there? Suddenly she might want a bite of something. And then we're gonna tidy up this kitchen. Right guys, so it's time to tidy the kitchen. Yes, fortunately, it keeps getting messy, so time lots of people.
Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
Right, so I've been busy tidying up. I'm actually going to use this. I got this a few weeks ago, actually. I don't know if you can see. Why is the lighting so bad? Let's stand here in the window. Yeah, I'm going to be using this Dettol washing machine cleaner. I got this a few weeks ago. I think I got it from like Home Bargain or something. I think it was about £3, so it was a little bit more pricey than I thought. But yeah, it kills. It's 5-in-1. Sorry, I'm laughing because I've got Tilly. Tilly, you're gonna fall. Come here. Woo. Tilly, what you doing? She just wants to climb up. She's in that little mood where come on then. Come to mum. Come, mummy, sit with you. Oh, she's having a mad one, so I'm going to sit with her in a second. But I'm just going to start the washing machine off with this washing machine cleaner. So I think you can actually... Oh, she's here again. What you doing? Baby girl. Baby girl. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. So yeah, it's from me and Tilly here. Hi, we're going to clean the washing machine, aren't we, Tills? Aren't we? We're going to do the washer. So yeah, we're going to use this stuff now. I'm going to put it in the washer. You can actually use it, I think, undiluted to clean out the drawer as well. But I'm just going to bung it in there and let me just read the instructions and get it going, basically. So yeah, Miss Tilly, what are you doing? So I'm going to put Miss Tilly on here, which is her favourite cat tree. Go on. Play with your things. Keep it occupied for longer than like 5 minutes while I get this going. Put it in the drawer and run it 60 degrees. So let's get this one going. She's still busy. So nothing is in the washer, in the drawer. So I'm assuming it's just going to go in. I'll just put it in compartment 1. There we go. All in compartment 1. Close the wash. Turn it on. And I need to have it at 60 degrees, so I'm going to change that to 60 here. I don't know if it's focusing on that today. focus on that, but I'm going to have like 60, 1400. It does need the bubble wash. I'm going to take that off. It's going to run for 102, so I'll shut that down. Had a couple of things come in the Amazon post today. So the first thing that I got as well is this one roller. I'm always looking for something to clean up like cat hair and get it off your clothes and stuff, because we struggle with it being on our clothes quite a lot, and it's because the cat's just shedding all the time. So obviously Sam's allergic, so we have to be careful. We've just bought like an air purifier for our room to help us sleep better. But yeah, I got this. It had good reviews on Amazon, so I'm hoping this is going to work. It kind of comes like that, and it keeps all the hair in the chamber once it's picked it up. So I hope this is going to work out quite nice. The other thing that came as well is this bamboo ultra soft chemical free washable makeup remover pads. Now this came, I think this was, I can't remember how much this was now. I think it was like 12 quid or something. But yeah, this is a 20 pack. So it's basically reusable makeup remover pads, and then you just bung them in the washer afterwards. So that's just to take your makeup off. I have got a few upstairs already that I got for Christmas, but I haven't used them yet. So I'm going to transfer over from using cotton pads. And then this one is a sort of a kit. So if you're interested in showing, I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a video on this particular item. So this one is the Me Time Make Your Own Body Butter and Lip Balm Kit. And inside you kind of get the body butter recipe, and I suppose you could make this again afterwards, and then the lip balm recipe, and you must get all the stuff to make it. So yeah, you get some, that's obviously for your body butter, that's just the tin that it goes in afterwards. So, and you make 2 lots there. You get like a little spatula. In here is the organic shea butter to make that, and then that's the lip balm tin. You could actually make your own labels if you wanted to as well. And then obviously in here we have some sort of liquid extra virgin olive oil. So I'm sure it's easy enough to make. So yeah, that's it. It's basically, you just need a double boiler. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. And I'll do a video on that as well. So time for a little snack right now. So we're having some natural yogurt with some raspberries and some apple and some banana, and I might even put a little bit of frozen strawberry in there as well. Just enjoyed my fruit. Tilly's sleeping on the top of her tree up there, and I very naughtily opened my Easter egg. And I'm currently munching on some mini eggs. So yeah, I'm going to have a few of these. And I'm going to watch some Netflix. I've currently been re-watching Shadowhunters, but I might actually put a film on. So, what to choose? Right guys, it's about 11:15. We've just been watching some Netflix. We've just put Tilly to bed. And I'm going to sign out for the evening. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed Day in Your Life. It is just a bit of a chilled one. But yeah, I hope you had a nice Easter. I hope you're staying safe, everyone. So yeah, I'm going to take my makeup off now. I'm going to leave the vlog here, and if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.